Hey, Como Park Ape students, Mr. Adair here. It is Wednesday morning. I am just making this quick video to give you an update and make sure everyone's on track with what they need to do. I just looked at the name tents that you all submitted. If you have not done your name tent, please do so. However, it got me feeling really bad that we can't be in person right now because I know so many of you and we have just two awesome classes and it's bumming me out, but we'll just make the best of it. So, I commented on all your name tents, and it was really fun to see those. I'm glad you guys did that. So hopefully it wasn't too terrible for you to do that. But all right, today it's an asynchronous day, so we're not gonna do a Google Meet. We will have our Google Meet Friday, period 2 at 10:55 and period 6 at 12:25. In some ways we're combining these classes because it's the exact same content. So if you can't make one of the times and you can make the other, it's probably not that big of a deal. But in order to even out the class a little bit, maybe try to stick in your normal class. All right, today you will be doing the Tragedy of the Commons part of your packet, and it's pretty self-explanatory. So I'm not going to make a video about it or anything, but let me just go to it real quick. So hopefully you did the survey, you watched the intro video, and Tragedy of the Commons, two main things you need to do. Read the article, which there's nothing really required from that article, just to read it and get more information about Tragedy of the Commons. Also watch the TED Ed talk on Tragedy of the Commons and write any notes from the video and any explanations or descriptions of what you think Tragedy of the Commons is. And then posted on Schoology is case studies of examples of what the commons are in Tragedy of the Commons. So you can just list those out on here and then also list out the solutions. And it goes through them very methodically. So this isn't a very hard assignment, but I think it will hit home on what Tragedy of the Commons is all about. So, again, have a productive day today. We'll be in touch. I probably will be doing daily either tutorial videos or just even quick updates and embed them in Schoology. So, if you feel like you get lost, watch my videos and we'll go from there. All right.